Okay, we are going to start absolute value. So absolute value is a value that depicts how far a number is from 0. The distances are always positive values. So if we look at 4 on a number line, and let's say that this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. It is 4 units from 0. But if we look at -4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, it is still 1, 2, 3, 4 units away. So this is called the absolute value. Now we have these nice, lovely straight brackets that depict the symbol for absolute value. We're going to practice this straight away by evaluating. That is the best practice you can do with these. Absolute value is done in the exact same order as BEDMAS. So if we look at this, we first evaluate the absolute value of this. So the absolute value of -4 is 4, plus the absolute value of -3 is 3. Therefore, our answer is 7. You have to remember to do the absolute value stuff first. So this is -2. Evaluate the absolute value of -3, which is 3. So our final answer is -6. This becomes -1, -4. Put an extra set of brackets there just to remind myself. -1, 4, -4. Okay, so this becomes -2. I discriminately use large absolute value brackets. -2 bracket, -2 squared gives me 4 plus 6. -2, -8 plus 6. -2, -2. And see, this is why I use such large ones, so I don't mistake them for ones. And then this is 2, so that leaves us with the final answer of -4. Okay, so that's just simple BEDMAS, evaluating, practicing. Then we have a word problem here. The highest temperature difference this month was 19 degrees Celsius. The coldest temperature this month was -30 degrees Celsius. What is the total temperature difference? So the way that we would do this one, remember to find the distance between them, we need to subtract them. So this would be 19 minus 30 in absolute value brackets. So then this would be the absolute value of -49. Yeah, because we wait. All right, I just set them backwards. So this should be -30 minus 19. Because I know the answer is 49 units. That makes sense to me. So we used some critical math thinking to realize that this was set backwards. Because we have to go up 30 units. So like let's diagram my thinking here that I knew that this was wrong. So if I have a number line, let's say this is 0, this is 19, this is -30. So I know I need to go 30 units to get to here. And I know I need to go another 19 units to get here, which means I know that this should be 49 units. So, critical math thinking skill there to remember that I had set it up wrong, and that is a huge skill to deal with. We started at the lowest, so if we looked at this in terms of physics, it would be xf minus xi as well. So that's a good way to remember too, that it should always be your final minus your initial. All right, that's it for this one. On to the assignment.